we are here now at a bee farm in Bohol. So, dito na po kami ngayon sa bee farm sa Bohol. Then magbabayad kami sa ticket. Ano, dun ba? Ayun, yung ticket.
Hello.
Ayan po.
So dito po tayo.
Bayad
So
pa.
yung Bohol Bee Farm po, ano yung nasa isip niyo?
bee.
Beekeeping, di ba?
Honey bee. Ayun.
So kailangan pumasok tayo, magsuot tayo ng proteksyon.
Okay.
Yun ba yung nasa isip nyo? So ngayon po nagbago yung place. Room ice cream. So ito yung mga
Okay.
rooms accommodation namin. Pwede kayo tumira dito. Yung first time nyo po dito sa farm, maybe next time, maalala nyo na pwede kayong tumira dito.
Ako nakita ko kaya lang yung room na gusto namin, yung book na siya.
Sayang.
Huli na ito namin.
So, pasok tayo dito. Sa totoo po, wala po kaming end. Yun po, sa guided tour yun. First,
So, ngayon,
stay
papasok
sa
po
mga
kami dito.
talim, products, hanggang yung mga pupuyo.
Sa mga sa bee farm.
Every 30 minutes, so 3 o'clock the next tour.
Papasukin namin yung
Dito pay 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes.
ito na po. Ito po yung inside ng bee farm.
And then if you like to buy some ice cream,
Take
ito.
inside po. And the souvenir shops also.
Yung ice cream po, that is the famous ice cream here in Visayas. And we have different flavors. Unusual flavor, my charcoal.
Kakaibang ice cream.
So if you like to buy some honey, nasa loob ng souvenir shop. So after the tour, you need to pay because pag nasa kalagitnaan ng tour natin, uulan, so hindi matatapos yung tour natin, quits tayo.
Okay. So hindi kami pwedeng pumasok kapag umuulan.
Pag ulan po, medyo may konting agresibo yung bubuyo.
Yun.
Okay? So, habang naghihintay tayo, mga around 5 minutes. So you can buy some ice cream, you can go to the banyo, coffee shop, sarap banyo, and then inside yung souvenir shop.
Yun.
May ATM.
So dito po sa may lobby, tatawagin ko kayo pag mag-start na tayo.
Tagal may ATM.
So we are here now inside the bee farm. So kung isipin na po natin yung bee farm is daw bee. Pero hindi lang bee po ang nandito sa bee farm. So ito po yung mga nasa inside ng bee farm. So dito sa bee farm may cafe bee rin and bar and also a gift shop. So ayan, mga souvenir shop and also ice cream. So may mga ice cream din siya. So let's try ice cream, Al. Try natin ice cream. Mayroon din po sila dito famous ice cream na iba't ibang organic flavors. So tatry namin kumain ng organic ice cream dito sa bee farm. So tara naman, try natin ng pagkain ng bee farm. Busy-busy siya sa pagkukuha ng... Pero try natin yung try natin itong ice cream. So try namin yung ice cream, organic ice cream dito sa Bohol. Dito na lang kayo po. Oh, ito yung mga flavor nila ng ice cream. And avocado, dragon fruit, durian.
Ano?
Spice, ginger, guayabana, chocolate, malunggay, buko, ube, melon, and peanut pieces, and salted honey. Ayun po yung mga flavor ng kanilang ice cream.
Picture daw.
So itatry natin yung kanilang ice cream.
Ano flavor gusto?
O-order na ako ng ice cream. So ito yung flavor ng ice cream. Ayan, pati na namin yung ice cream. Ito yung charcoal.
Binili niyo ako ng durian, hindi naman ang gusto ko.
Charcoal? How's the taste of charcoal?
Walang lasa ito.
Ayan,
nangangamoy
durian
yung
po siya.
durian.
Durian, nangangamoy daw. At sa dalawa ay calamansi and mango. So, how's the taste of calamansi flavor?
Matching. Isa pa nga.
Hindi kami yung kanya, durian.
Bago nito. Ang bago nga.
Ayun, durian lang niya. Nagreklamo siya dahil mabaho.
And it's more explanation. We go to some selected areas. First part, the garden, mga herbs. And then the exciting part, I know you love to see them. That's why you avail this tour. bees. But the place we change into hotel and restaurant. So if you like to stay with us, we have rooms available. Restaurant is downstairs, that is Ocean View Restaurant. About beekeeping, we stopped that one 7 or 8 years ago. But the last part, that is intended only for demo. One colony or one hive. But that colony is thousands of bees inside the hive. That place is open. We don't have protection. So we open the hive and release them. Don't you worry, 100% I'm sure they don't bite. Promise. Because they sting.
They sting, they don't.
Nanulusok sila. They don't bite. Am I right?
Yes, true.
Bees, they sting. But the colony that we have here are so friendly. Not like the local bees here in the Philippines. So the colony that we have here came from Europe. Apis mellifera or European honeybees. Friendly because I text them already also. Okay, but my problem is they don't reply. Yun yung problema ko. So guys, explain. One colony, one queen bee. 95% are workers. And their job is to collect nectars from the flowers. Soldiers, armies guarding their beehive. And also they are the one who sting us. Question is, workers are male or female? Choose one.
Female.
Female.
The correct answer is females. 95% including the queen are all females. 5% are the males. They call drones. And they don't sting. They just walking around, sleeping, eating. What a wonderful life.
The usual male.
They make
Pardon me.
okay, the best job ever is they only good for what?
Mating.
They only good for mating with a queen. But sad to say, after mating, what happened? They die. But at least they die happy. Okay, so now I will open the hive. 10 frames inside, so I will choose one. I will lift up that one. Stand here again, holding with that frame. This place is open. Probably bees fly also in this area. Please, please, don't shoot them away. Don't hurt them. And don't freak out. Just ignore them to avoid bee sting. Are you ready? No. Okay, just stay where you are.
So ayun na po, kukunin na po niya yung isang frame po ng bee. This is one frame of Ayan.
Okay, so I will explain more. But for me, this moment, this is not the exciting part, ha? The exciting part is after my short explanation. I will allow you to hold this frame.
Okay.
You can hold this frame. This is a one-of-a-kind experience. But if you like, okay? So guys, please hold tight. Ignore those bees walking your fingers, if there is. And don't drop this frame, please. Because if you drop this frame, so you hold here. This is the exciting part. But you drop it. Next to that is the most exciting part. We will start running. Okay? So guys, we provide the box and also this frame. Wood and then the string. The rest, they build that. Honeycomb. And that is made of wax or beeswax. So I guess we are not lucky. The queen bee is not here. She's in another frame. The size of the queen is much larger than the workers. If she walks in the middle of the workers and the workers notice that she is a queen, workers, they give way for the queen. How to become a queen?
You're born.
Okay. The queen bee, she is the only productive inside. Queen bee lay eggs here in this spot. Look at the spot. Is that a circle? That is hexagon. Bees are also known as best engineers of all insects. Because if we build some houses, buildings, the strongest foundation is hexagon form. Queen bee lay eggs here. Ordinary spot is for workers. Bigger than ordinary spot. Okay, hanap tayo ng bigger. Maybe in some other frames. So there's like a bigger than ordinary spot. That one is for drones. But 2 times bigger, we call that one queen cell. That is another queen. So if there's a 2 queens inside in one colony, if they meet, they will fighting each other. Who will win the fight will crown as the queen of that colony. Who will lose the fight will go out to that colony. But before she go out, she release a scent called pheromone smell to attract some other workers and join with her. Go out. And that is what we call swarm. They will find some other area to build another colony. Okay, question. Yes, ma'am.
The egg for worker and queen different.
Okay. So egg, that is the natural for them. But if the egg will hatch, if they born as a queen, they die as a queen. If they born as a worker, they die as a worker. Here in the Philippines, we call that one no promotion. Okay, it's depend upon the spot. The size of the the size of the hole. Okay, they're making the honeycomb, so there's like bigger, ordinary, and the queen cell. All the workers can be a queen, but in the very beginning, egg. Okay, for example, we got the queen. Accidentally, I dropped this frame. Then, dead.
Queen guys.
Okay? So, she never lay eggs for another queen. So, workers decide they will pick egg to the workers area, then put that one in the queen cell.
She will try also, tatry niyang humawak ng
Queen
bee.
cell in one.
Wow.
Yes.
So ayun po yung first time namin humawak ng honeybee dito sa bee farm. So ayan po sila. Tinatry nilang hawakan po yung mga bee
That's why
dito.
they used to eat. So they are friendly. They
Come inside then.
always smell the aroma of people.
So siya na yun yung magtatry.
Group kayo ha pag group. Okay na?
Ano jump shot nga isa?
Yung grupo ha, walang problema. Ako yung mag-text sa inyo.
Ito po yung
Okay.
so yun na first time niyang humawak ng bee.
Hold like this. Lapit mo.
Ganyan.
Supply mo kaya.
Or tingnan mo. So they can collect nectars, they can collect
honeybee frame.
sauce for their wax.
So ito siya.
So they can
So
easily
pag,
build the honeycomb.
pag binitawan ko to lilipad to.
And
Tatakuhan kami
for
lahat.
the honey, it's also the same as a place.
Ito siya.
If there's a lot of
Pwede
flowers,
siyang
so they
ikot,
can
pero
collect
hindi
more
mo siya
nectar for
pwedeng-
the honey.
I-drop.
Drop.
Okay.
So you need to put a queen.
Ayan, ito po yung pinakang box. One colony of bee. Ito, yung queen po ay nasa loob po yung queen yan. Pinakang queen niya. So ayan po siya lahat. So napakarami po. Is 1,000 of bee. Ayan. Pagka nagimbala po ito lahat, itatakbo na po kaming lahat dito.
Wait lang, maubos yan. Ready?
Ayan siya.
1, 2, 3, and go.
So malay, try ko ibagsak yung GoPro ko dito.
Sige.
So ayan po, kinuha niya yung queen.
Yes, if she walks,
Oh yeah, there.
and workers, they notice that she is a queen, tumatabi sila, they give way.
This
And
one.
she is always walking around, find some clean spot, put her butt in that spot and lay her egg. Queen bee, she never lay egg
Magano siya ng egg
with the dirty
sa
spot.
loob, no?
So workers, they're always cleaning.
Pinasok na yung ano niya.
Ay, parang may
So if the queen bee put her butt in the spot, so workers, they protect the queen. Yan.
Who doesn't want to be a queen?
Okay? Okay, picture. And after this one, we will go back to the shop. And by the way, guys,
So, tapos na po ang aming tour dito sa bee farm.
hi guys!
So,
ito pala na. Hi!
Ayun po yung aming tour guide.
Yes, one and only. And this is our plants or herbs.
Yan, ayun lahat ng herbs nila. So, funny yung aming tour guide.
Maganda dahil naghahanap si Mama na Rosemary.
So, ngayon po, going outside na kami. Exit na po kami. And bago ang lahat, don't forget to subscribe my channels and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. See you soon!